In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Gemini storybook as a PDF. By the end, you'll have a polished, downloadable file you can share, print, or archive. First, open your Gemini account in your web browser and sign in if you aren't already. You'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the section labeled Gems. This is where Gemini groups custom experiences and tools. Click Gems to open it, then select Storybook. Storybook is designed to generate narrative content with structure and style, and it's the perfect place to create a story you can save as a PDF. Next, enter your prompts for the storybook. Be as clear and specific as you can. Describe the theme, characters, tone, age group, and any key plot points you want included. If you have preferences for illustration style or chapter length, add those details too. The more precise your prompt, the more tailored and coherent your storybook will be. After you submit your prompt, wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. Generation can take a moment, especially for longer stories or those with richer detail, so avoid refreshing the page or navigating away. When the storybook is ready, review it on the screen. If something important is missing, you can refine your prompt and regenerate, but once you're happy, it's time to save it. Look for the print icon, usually represented by a small printer symbol near the top of the page. Click the print icon to open your browser's print dialog. This is the gateway to turning your digital story into a PDF. In the print dialog, find the destination or printer drop-down. Change it from your default printer to Save as PDF. This tells your browser to create a PDF file instead of sending the document to a physical printer. Before saving, glance at the preview to make sure the pages look right. If available, check options like page size, orientation, margins, and background graphics to get the layout you want. A quick preview can help you avoid cut-off text or awkward page breaks. Finally, click Save. Choose your preferred folder and give the file a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. Confirm the save, and you're done. You now have a neatly packaged Gemini Storybook PDF on your device, ready to share or print anytime. That's the whole process. Open your Gemini account, go to Gems, select Storybook, enter your prompts, wait for the content to generate, click the print icon, choose Save as PDF, and save it to your preferred location.